Good morning to all of you. Nice to see you. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to identify the words see, watch TV, stay at home, skate, ski, and a snowman. Also, you will be able to create a short story about each season using the phrases it is cold, it is hot, it is raining, it is snowing. До кінця уроку ви зможете розрізняти слова море, дивитися телевізор, залишатися вдома, кататися на ковзанах, кататися на лижах та сніговик. Також ви зможете створювати коротку історію про кожну пору року, використовуючи фрази холодно, жарко, дощить, сніжить. You are right. It is spring. Right here. It is summer. Right here. It is winter. You are right. It is autumn. Look and guess. What can you see there? You are right. It is sunny. What can you see there? You are right. It's rainy. What can you see there? Right here. It's snowy. What is it? You are right. It's hot. What is it? Right here. It's cold. Listen and repeat. Jump, jump. I can jump. I can jump. Я умію стрибати. Run, run. I can run. I can run. Я вмію бігати. Ride a bike. Ride a bike. I can ride a bike. I can ride a bike. Я умію їздити на велосипеді. It's fun. It is fun. Це задоволення.
1. It is sunny. Jump and run. Ride a bike. It is fun.
Now let's read. It is sunny. Jump and run. Ride a bike. It's fun. What season is it? Right here. It is spring. Now let's say together. It is sunny. Jump and run. Ride a bike. It is fun. Thank you. Open your vocabularies. Розгорніть словники. And let's write new word. Запишімо нове слово. Sea. Sea. Море. Sea. Море. Swim. Swim. I can swim. I can swim. Я умію плавати.
2. It is hot. The sea is blue. I can swim, and so can you.
Now let's read. It is hot. The sea is blue. I can swim, and so can you. What season is it? Right here. It is summer. Let's say together. It is hot. The sea is blue. I can swim, and so can you. Розгорніть словники та запишімо ще одне нове слово. Watch TV. Watch TV. Дивитися телевізор. I can watch TV. I can watch TV. Я можу дивитися телевізор. Це слово також запишемо у ваші словники. Stay at home. Stay at home. Залишатися вдома. I can stay at home. I can stay at home. Я можу залишатися вдома. Drink tea. Drink tea. I can drink tea. I can drink tea. Я можу випити чаю.
3. It is raining. Watch TV. Stay at home. Drink some tea.
Now let's read. It is raining. Watch TV. Stay at home. Drink some tea. What season is it? Right here. It is autumn. Let's say together. It is raining. Watch TV. Stay at home. Drink some tea. Запишімо наступне слово до наших словників. Skate. Skate. Кататися на ковзанах. I can skate. I can skate. Я умію кататися на ковзанах. Запишемо та вивчимо наступне слово до наших словників. Ski. Ski. Кататися на лижах. I can ski. I can ski. Я умію кататися на лижах. Запишімо до словника слово a snowman. A snowman. Сніговик. Look. Look. Дивись. Look. Дивись.
4. It is cold. Skate and ski. Make a snowman. Look at me.
Now let's read. It is cold. Skate and ski. Make a snowman. Look at me. What season is it now? Right you are. It is winter. Let's say together. It is cold. Skate and ski. Make a snowman. Look at me.
It is sunny, jump and run, ride the bike, it is fun. It is hot, the sea is blue, I can swim and so can you. It is raining, watch TV, stay at home, drink some tea. It is cold, skate, ski, make a snowman, look at me.
Draw and say. Намалюй та скажи. Summer is bright. It is hot. I can swim. Поставте відео на паузу та спробуйте повторити самотужки. Winter is white. It is snowing. I can ski. Autumn is yellow. It is raining. I can watch TV. Spring is green. It is sunny. I can ride a bike. Повторяю, ставте щоразу відео на паузу та намагайтеся повторити і сказати ці 3 речення самотужки про кожну пору року. It's time to say goodbye. The lesson is over. At our lesson, we identified the words see, watch TV, stay at home, skate, ski, and the snowman. Also, we created a short story about each season using the phrases it's cold, it's hot, it's raining, it's snowing. Отже, на сьогоднішньому уроці ми навчилися розрізняти слова: кататися на ковзанах, залишатися вдома, море, дивитися телевізор, кататися на лижах та сніговик. Також ми з вами створювали маленькі історії з 3 речень про кожну пору року, використовуючи фрази холодно, жарко, дощить, сніжить. The lesson is over. Goodbye. See you soon.